Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Anne and I run this YouTube channel, and I also run the Sussex Handmade Soap Company, which is a small bath and body business based in the southeast of the UK. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make up your lye water for cold process soap making. Now, the first thing I want to say today is I'm not going to be doing a hugely detailed video on lye itself. If you want to know a little bit more about lye and know much more about the safety behind it, what to use with it, what not to use with it in terms of materials, then check out this video up here where I do go into a lot more detail on lye. Today's video is purely to accompany my soap making recipes so that you know how to actually make up your lye water once you are already familiar with the safety behind it and precautions and things like that. So it's a relatively quick video today. I don't want it to be too long. We are just going to make up our lye water. First things first. The one thing I am going to touch on in terms of safety is that you do need to be wearing long-sleeved clothes, gloves, goggles and closed-toed shoes, and have your hair tied back when you are working with lye. So I'm going to get those safety items on now. So gloves on, goggles on, still got my long sleeves even though the radiator behind me is on and I'm starting to melt. And here we go, high kick, whoop! Closed-toed shoes. Right, I have now got our lye just here, and it is sodium hydroxide we use for our cold process soap making, and I have got our water here. Now normally if I wasn't filming I would be doing this over in my sink. I would have my jug in the sink and I would be working there purely because then if you spill or knock the jug, it's just going to go down the sink, no harm done. If you can't use a sink because you're going to be going backwards and forwards while the lye is cooling, then get a washing up bowl or something similar, fill it with a little bit of water and place your jug in that. That works really well too. So it's actually really simple. Once you've got to this stage and you are familiar and you have read up on the safety and how to actually safely handle lye, the actual making up's really easy. You've got to be aware it's going to give off fumes and it's going to heat up. If you are sensitive to fumes, instead of water in your jug, you could use ice or you could use cooled water. Right, we are going to take our lye, and we always add lye into water. You never add water into lye. The reason for that is that if you are adding the water into the lye, it can create a kind of explosive reaction and it can cause it to kind of shoot up, which you obviously don't want. So always lye into water. Slowly, like so. And then we need to stir until the lye has dissolved. And make sure you're working in a well ventilated area. As I say, it is going to release fumes. And make sure that there are no children or pets rushing about while you're doing this as well, because it heats up a huge amount. It is dangerous. You don't want to be getting it on your skin because it will burn you. So just take those precautions and you're going to be fine. Stirring slowly until it's dissolved. And then taking it over, or I'll be taking it over to my sink. If you guys are already working in your sink, it will be in your sink and it will be cooling. And you want to basically make sure that it has fully dissolved. So I generally stir for, I don't know, I've never really timed myself. It feels like between 5 and 10 minutes, probably more like 5 minutes. It does tend to dissolve pretty quickly. And this is all we need to do to prepare our lye water. So now, in all of the videos that we do, where I say, prepare your lye water, this is what you need to be doing. I think that's about it. I think we've essentially covered it. If there's anything I've forgotten, then leave a comment and ask any questions. As I said, we have got that more detailed video on lye, what it is and how to handle it on our channel. This is just a quick making up your lye water video for accompaniment to our soap making videos, so I don't have to show it in every video going forwards. Right, that is getting pretty dissolved. I'm going to take it over to my sink, let it cool, and then I'm going to use it to make a soap. Thank you for watching today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Give us a like, give us a subscribe if you want to, leave a comment if you have any questions, and we will see you next time for probably some soap making. Bye for now.